Hello friends, welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how you can make healthy snack using fox nuts, or also known as makhana. So let's begin. We need fox nut or makhana, turmeric powder, salt as per taste, pinch of asafoetida or hing. I'm using olive oil, you can use any oil or butter. Now heat a pan, add 2 spoons of oil. When oil is hot, add hing, turmeric powder and fox nuts. Now stir this really well until everything is well coated, and add salt and lightly roast it and turn off the flame. Make sure the flame is on medium all the time. So here our healthy snacks are ready.